Alright guys, in the parking lot now, pretty much on the noon crew today. Got Jaren over here somewhere. Just two of us gonna head up here and we'll see if I can get him into some trouble.
Never fails.
And we'll see if he could stay away from trees today, eh?
Sounds good to me.
This was where we went up last time he came out and smucked that tree.
Just feeding the bird.
Got a couple squirrels in there or what?
Yeah. Trail mix was not good, I guess.
He really takes things easy on his equipment here. Lasted one ride. Shouldn't do drugs and ride, eh?
Yeah.
The young buck can't keep up. He's got to pop some pills.
Yeah, old man's wearing me out.
Let's just have a little look at this pillow here and see what we find for that hoarfrost wheat glare. So there's not actually hoarfrost here, it's just sun crust. It slid off, it did take a fair bit though. It's probably 45 centimeters thick. Well, let's see if the clutches are a little warm after that pull. Not bad. A little sizzle. Secondary's good. Well, the sled's warm, so may as well put lunch on. Don't even have to drive. See how many minutes it takes aside. Well, lunch should be cooked. Might have actually been too long. I burnt the paper, so we'll have to see what it looks like. That was only like not even 5 minutes, I don't think. Okay, so however many minutes that was too long. Okay, it's a crispy. I've looked at this here once before, but I've never came to it. Someone made stairs into it today. Oh. Well, not much to see. Maybe some bears in the bottom. I guess if you had to spend the night somewhere, this wouldn't be terrible.
You'd get toasty.
That is what they say. Trees are for traction.
Mint. Ow.
Tree is not for traction. Trying to keep track of Jaren today is like trying to herd stray dogs, or however that saying goes. He's just here and then there and then there, and you think he's following you, and then he's over there, and I don't know where he is now. I followed his track for a bit, but how's that going?
Oh, my big chubby girl.
You don't want a hand, do you? You're gonna be pointing right at that tree?
Yep.
You weren't stuck again there, were you? Jeez.
Taking a break. No!
Jaren just found a jug of oil in the parking lot that was like half run over. Bastard. Yeah, clean that mess up. Just waiting for Jaden to freaking quiet down over there, but that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. I know it's probably I gotta start again. Fuck. Take 3. Not gonna be much. Oh, fuck. Take 4. Take 5. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. Not gonna be much action in it today. You know, just the two of us out there, so it was pretty mellow. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow, day 54. Take care.